Merry Christmas, everyone. Kaye Kittrell here at my new Tennessee homestead, soon to be called Late Bloomer Garden 2.0. I want to wish everyone a happy holiday and peace and love and happiness during this holiday season after such a traumatic year for everyone. So I have things to go over, and grab your cup of tea and I'll be right here. Well, as you can see, I moved my Christmas tree to the front porch. I've never had a covered front porch before, and it's so convenient having the tree out there. You don't have to worry about spills. Actually, the wind blew it over yesterday, so we secured it with line so it wouldn't blow over. But I've only got 3 ornaments on there because there's been so much else to do. I've had plumbers, electricians, and HVAC people here like 3 times a week since I got here. So yesterday the plumber was here for 5 hours. He replaced the water lines and the faucets for the washing machine. They are going underneath the stairwell. I'll show you all this when I get this room a little cleaned up. At any rate, it's already dark. He's been here for 5 hours, and he's ready to put the machines in, and there's no plug to the dryer. Now, I wanted a gas dryer, which has a normal 110 plug, but in order to run gas over here, it was going to cost me $700. So I said, the 220 is already in there. I'll just buy an electric dryer and put in electric. And when I ordered the machines from Lowe's, I said, put everything I need in there. She asked me, do you need all the stuff? I said, I need all the stuff. Put it all in there. She gave me a total. I paid for it. When they brought the machines, they were supposed to install them, but we hadn't gotten this plumbing fixed. So I said, I'll get the plumber to put them in. You know, they left all the washing machine components, but they didn't put in the cord for the dryer. I went over to Lowe's this morning. They gave me the plug free because evidently with an electric dryer, there's an option on the kind of plug it is, so they sell that component separately. Now, you know, I've been on a tear about buying USA products. We have so little manufacturing left in this country, and I just want to support local craftsmen and women and as much USA products as we can. So it's really hard. You walk into Lowe's or Home Depot and almost everything is made in China. I managed to get Maytag manual washer and dryer, just the old-fashioned simple controls, which I believe mostly is made in the United States. But the plug, well, you can guess where that's made in China. Yeah. But what choice do I have? I asked him, I said, is there a USA version of this in the store? No, we don't carry that. We don't have that. They don't make that. So my prayer for 2021, one of my many prayers, is that we get more manufacturing back in this country so that we don't have to rely on china. Okay, now I wanted to thank everyone who has sent me cards. I have a few of them here, Christmas cards, holiday cards. Most of them are family. I have a few friend cards from friends here, but I just love the fact that my family members, my sister's kids and my brother's kids, one of my brother's kids, got paper cards sent because I do enjoy it. I haven't done a paper card in, I used to go all out. I mean, I got so creative. When my sons were little, we dragged a Christmas tree out to the edge of the beach at Will Rogers Beach, down from where we lived, and I was wearing shorts, and we were all wearing shorts and t-shirts, and dragged a Christmas tree down to the edge of the beach and posed for a picture, and then I made it into an interesting Christmas card with various frames. Now I shot this on film, and I took various frames leading up and put that together, compiled that. So I want to show you now, if you followed my journey, my 31-day trip, wasn't traveling every day of the 31 days, but I left Los Angeles on October 31st, and I got here on December 1st. So I was on the road or staying somewhere for 31 days, and 2 nights I stayed in Santa Fe, and if you watched the whole journey, you saw me go to the Santa Fe Farmers Market, and I bought this. I knew when I saw it I had to have it, and it looks as beautiful right now as it did when I bought it. Look at this. Is that gorgeous? And my only regret is I didn't get a bigger one. Because if I had a bigger one, I would put it on my door or a door. It's a little small for a door, and I haven't figured out where to put it. It has a little hanger on it, and she grows her own chilies, dries the flowers. I think she dries the flowers and makes these beautiful wreaths, among other things. I'm unpacking a lot of boxes, and my mother was a big scrap iron sculptor, as she liked to put it, and she got kind of well known around Nashville, and she would go to the various women's clubs and do little speaking about her scrap iron sculpture. She had a relationship with this older man who had a welding shop, who had a big scrap iron pile, and she would go down there and see various pieces of metal and get ideas. And this is one of them. It's just a little flower arrangement, basically out of nails. And of course, in the 70s, orange and yellow and all of those bright colors were very popular. Most everything she just spray painted black, but each one of these are nails. I don't know what this piece was. She saw it there and thought it would look good. So this is one of the, we only have about 10 of these left. Some of them she literally made with masking tape and glue and spray painted them black, and so they just haven't lasted the test of time. Anyway, I've gotten quite a bit of done. I've even gotten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big pieces of art hung that I needed help with, and I'm so grateful to all the people that have come to help me. There have been a few, but mainly I had repair and fix-it people here. I just wanted to go over a few things about the Buy Local. I bought 4 Adirondack chairs, 2 tables, a swing, and the A-frame that holds the swing. I thought I was going to put this porch swing on the right here, but it's too close to the glass. It's never going to work. We had a real windy day yesterday, and that would have shattered that glass. So I said, just go ahead and make me an A-frame, and he did. You'll be seeing all of that, and I've shared some of those pictures on Instagram. Speaking of Instagram, I just wanted to give a shout out. You know, I have this, I've never had air plants before. These are, I just got it hooked on this. This is a bottle that I bought at a flea market in Wales, I believe. And for it was either $1 or £1, I can't remember. But anyway, I have these little air plants hooked onto them, and I want to show you. And these were knitted. Let's see if that's knitting or crochet. That's crochet. These were crocheted by a 12-year-old girl and sold at a gift shop in Post, Texas. Post. And it made me think, you know, 12-year-old girl selling, you know, making and selling products, the entrepreneurship of that, and I just want to support and shout out. The internet is so tempting, especially with lockdowns and everything, to be sitting at home and just wasting time on the internet. You could be actually making something, making money for yourself, for your future, and for your family, and making beautiful things that other people could enjoy. And when I saw those, I thought, I have to have those. And Linda says, well, I was with Linda in Texas, as you know, and she said, well, get two, don't just get one. Of course, she bought them for me. I tell you, I am so grateful for my friends. What else? The plug, yes. So if you're on Instagram and you are raising young girls, you should check out Five Mary's Farm. It's really an uplifting family that shares gorgeous photos and the whole experience of farm life. And also, they were just featured in a magazine for young girls called, For Girls Like You. For Girls Like You. And you can see their feature in there, and they're riding horses and climbing fences and all this stuff. And I want to give a shout out to Steve and Steve McMullen, who are local guys who are making the furniture out of cedar, and they're really well made. And I can't say enough about hiring local craftsmen and women to make your products. And I've reached out to someone else local that I found, a woodworker that I found on Facebook Marketplace, which is where I found Steve and Steve. I'm going to see if he can make me a mantle, fireplace mantle out of reclaimed walnut. If that even exists, a big piece like that. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's cold out there. It is going to snow, and I have company coming tomorrow night. I have so much to do. So I'm really excited about all the things that are coming together here. It's going to take a long time. I thought it would come together so much quicker than it has, and I still have, just in my vision, I can see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Just without even moving my head, I can see 30 boxes. That's just kitchen. And I haven't even started my office. But number one, I'm going to try to get some kind of service out here, because it's been very hard to stay online and respond to comments. So if you're wondering why I haven't responded to too many comments, that's why. And I hope to have this resolved as soon as, well, next week. So thank you so much for watching this channel, liking my videos, and especially sharing my channel with your friends. I am very grateful for so many things, and especially all of you. Merry Christmas, and I want to end with this beautiful message from my friend Maria Gillenson, who is one of my big fans. A Merry Christmas and a blessed Happy New Year. May this coming 2021 bring us peace, good health, and sanity. All my love and best wishes, and I extend that to you. See you next time. It's really an uplifting, what do you call it? It's not a channel.
If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.